My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware type threat, and this ransomware is called profes0r. This is the ransomware that attacks Windows computers, and it is able to essentially damage Windows files. The files that people store on their hard drives can be initially opened without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data pretty easily. Unfortunately, due to certain vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware may be injected into the system, and pretty soon it starts modifying the files. And then customers realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware just encrypts these files, and as a result, the files are no longer accessible. So pretty soon people realize that their files have been damaged, and now they have got this special profes0r extension that has been added to the files. And logically, customers cannot open their files anymore. The ransomware gives this scary message mentioning that your files have been encrypted. It tells to pay the special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored, so we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware, and we suggest that you go to the Program Files directory, go to Internet Explorer folder, start Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser. Then go to the page combocleaner.com to download Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may scroll down and use this green button to download Combo Cleaner antivirus software. Afterwards, start the program, click on Start Scan button. The software begins researching your device. It will then give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, but the premium license has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. The scanning will be in progress, and then you'll see the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats currently circulating all over the world. Combo Cleaner will help you not only to remove this ransomware, but also to protect all your files and all your data from being damaged by the ransomware in the future. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed in order to see the detailed report about the results of the scan. You'll see the information about threats, about their locations, so you may remove them manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to the premium license to delete these threats automatically and to have your system always protected in the future.